Good day. This is Tustin Mayor Dr. Allan Bernstein with your weekly update on the COVID-19 pandemic and its effect on our community. As we all know, this pandemic is very fluid, and since my last update only 1 week ago, many changes have transpired. Over the Memorial Day weekend, Orange County's plan to accelerate Phase 2 business reopening was approved by the California Department of Public Health. This cleared a path for the following types of Tustin businesses to reopen, given the appropriate health and safety measures are in place. In-person dining reservations, retail shopping with social distancing and curbside pickup, manufacturing, offices when telework is not possible, and outdoor museums. Also included under the approved county plan are places of worship. Places of worship following proper guidelines and with approval from the county can hold religious services and funerals that limit attendance to 25% of a building's capacity or up to 100 attendees, whichever is lower. Reopening of hair salons and barbershops with modifications such as mandatory face coverings for both barbers or stylists and clients was also approved on May 26th. Personal services such as tattoo parlors, gyms, and fitness studios continue to remain closed. For more information on the newly released guidance for these recently approved businesses, please visit covid19.ca.gov. We need to make sure going into the next phase that we stay on the course and continue to follow guidance by our local, state, and federal officials. We have made great strides and we want to be confident in moving forward so we can open up Tustin while protecting lives and our economy. As our state continues to reopen and people are optimistic, it does not mean the threat of COVID-19 is not still present or doesn't exist. There is still much we don't know about COVID-19. It is still present in our communities and we are still at risk. As California moves further into stage 2 of reopening, I'd like to remind everyone to continue to shop, dine, and buy in Tustin. These past couple of months have been overwhelming for our businesses. You can help by ordering food to go or have it delivered, shop online, and buy gift cards. A little can go a long way. As always, Tustin, remember to shop safely. As more of us may be leaving our homes, keeping physical distance, wearing face coverings in public, and washing your hands frequently are more important than ever to help protect yourself and those around you. In partnership with 3D Event Designer, the County of Orange is launching the Back2Business Initiative program to help local small businesses impacted by COVID-19 safely reopen by meeting local, state, and federal social distancing guidelines. The Back2Business Initiative will provide up to 1,000 Orange County small businesses with access to free floor plan software to quickly create, configure, or update their space. This software allows businesses such as restaurants and retail shops to view their current layout and adjust their floor plan to meet the latest social distancing requirements, giving them the confidence to bring their employees back to work safely and responsibly. 3D Event Designer will be hosting free live webinars to teach businesses how to use the floor plan software. Eligible businesses interested in participating can now register for the webinars. To be eligible, businesses must be in Orange County and have 500 employees or less. For more information on the Back2Business Initiative or to register for the free webinars, call the Economic and Business Recovery Call Center at 714-480-6500. That's 714-480-6500. This past week, the county health officer issued orders and strong recommendations with regards to COVID-19. The orders include self-isolation of persons who have been diagnosed with COVID-19, including individuals with or without symptoms, self-quarantine of persons exposed to COVID-19 for 14 days. All businesses that are permitted to reopen in Orange County as part of Stage 2 of the state's Resilience Roadmap shall comply with industry-specific checklist posting in the workplace as stated on the state's website. The checklist posting shall be visible at the entrance of the business and specifically include an attestation by the business owner and or operator that the business has performed a detailed risk assessment and implement a site-specific protection plan, trained employees on how to limit the spread of COVID-19, including how to screen themselves for symptoms and stay home if they have them, implemented individual control measures and screenings, implemented disinfecting protocols, and implemented physical distancing guidelines. And lastly, cloth face covering. All Orange County residents and visitors shall wear a cloth face covering when in a public space, visiting a retail, commercial, or other place of business, or at work, and when the resident or visitor is not able to maintain at least 6 feet of physical distance from another person who is not a family, household member, or live in the same living unit. The strong recommendations issued by the health officer include all Orange County residents who are 65 years old or older, have serious underlying medical conditions, or have a compromised immune system should remain at home consistent with guidelines provided by the California Department of Health. All Orange County residents should avoid contact with people who are sick, not gather in groups, stay out of crowded places, avoid mass gatherings, wash hands frequently, wash face coverings frequently, cover coughs and sneezes, and clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily, including tables, doorknobs, light switches, and sinks. All Orange County residents and visitors should maintain at least 6 feet of physical distance from another person who is not a family or household member or live in the same living unit when in a public place, visiting a retail, commercial, or other place of business or at work. The order and strong recommendations of the county health officer will stay in effect until further notice. For more information on the orders and strong recommendations, please visit the OC Healthcare Agency's website. Hang in there, Tustin. These orders and recommendations have been put in place to protect not only our most vulnerable population, but each other. The current situation has changed our lives, but it will not change our spirit. These have been difficult and trying days for all of us, and I want to thank each of you for all you have done to keep each other safe and by taking care of one another. Whether it is by staying at home, donating blood, checking on your neighbors, or by sending kindness cards to our seniors, your support has been invaluable. We will emerge from this better and stronger. Together we are Tustin strong. Be well, and God bless.